Spirits as well, if we have a minute. Very quickly, if you can put the stock up on United Spirits, it's up, what, 6.5% or so. 22.19 is where we stand. That's the other big stock, right, for today. We all know what, I mean, by now anybody tracking the market knows that there was a story which said that Diageo may actually make another open offer to increase its stake from the current 55% to 70% plus. That is the story which has kind of happened. Now, I just want to make a few points. United Spirits market price is still about 26% below the last open offer price. That is point number one. The last open offer came at 3,030 rupees in 2014. That is point number two, which means that right now, after this 14% rally that we've seen between yesterday and today, we are still down 26% from the last open offer price. But that is just, factoid. There is no real interpretation from that. In terms of business, I mean, if you think about it, very little has gone right for United Spirits in the recent past. I mean, actually, even in the if you go back the last 6 months or so, little has gone right. Margins have been stuck, despite all the talk about premiumization. Margins have been stuck in that 10 to 11% level. I'm talking about EBITDA margins. There have been risk of, states banning alcohol sales. There was talk about Tamil Nadu, Kerala, other states, for example. And of course, where will alcohol be placed when GST fitment happens? Where will alcohol as a product category fall? At what rate will it be taxed? So news flow actually has been pretty negative. And this kind of news, unconfirmed at this stage, does provide some support. I just would like to say this. I went back the last 2 years. On the 3rd of May 2016, you had the exact same news, which actually we had a report which said that Diageo will increase from 55 to 72 is what was said back then. I think the same is being said right now as well. The stock back then had rallied 15%, right? And then it promptly came off, sold off. So we've had already a 15% rally. So all I'm saying is this has happened before. We need confirmation, movement to kind of carry on this move that we are seeing in the stock.
Okay, so